Hey guys, it's Katie here, and in this video I wanted to talk to you guys about what is the purpose of automations in Kartra. If you don't know what Kartra is, go ahead and check out the link below this video and learn more about what exactly Kartra is. In a couple words, this is basically a platform that you can use to run your entire online business on. And I've been using Kartra for over 5 years already, and I absolutely love it. I have been using other tools and platforms out there before Kartra, and I am just so grateful I have come across Kartra, and you know how much this actually transformed my business and my life. So today I wanted to go over with you what is the purpose of automations and how to create automations, how to use automations within Kartra, so you can kind of have an idea what to do with automations, or if you know that you need to set up automations for your projects, so you can kind of have an idea of where you need to put them and how you want to put them and set them up. So let's just go over a few of my automations that I have set up, and I'll tell you what was the purpose of my my specific automations that I have here. I'll go ahead and show you how to put together an automation as well. So the first automation that we see here is when customer buys this product at any price, unsubscribe them from this sequence right here. So I have put this automation or set this automation up because I know that when somebody buys this product, I don't want them to continue going through this email sequence, because this email sequence is specifically selling this product, and I don't want them to get those emails to have those emails go out to those people who already purchased my product. So the next animation that we see here is when a lead is granted this access to one of my courses, YouTube Marketing Mastery, subscribe them to this list that I've created, and I assign this tag to them. So I know that a specific lead has access to my course, and it will obviously be in the list, and I will see that tag that they have access to this course. The next one that I see here is when a customer buys this product, unsubscribe them from my sequence, the cart abandonment sequence that I have set up. So this sequence is going out to those who have been to my checkout page but have not purchased. And when they purchase, I don't want them to receive, to be receiving these emails. So I want them to be unsubscribed from this sequence. So the next one is when the lead opens this email that's in the sequence, to unsubscribe them from this sequence as well, because I don't want them to be receiving this email over and over again when they end up on the checkout page. So they might end up on that checkout page a few times because of my email sequence that I have here. I have set up for them, which is this one right here. So in this email sequence, I basically tell them to go buy this course. And if they end up on the checkout page a few times from different emails that I have, I don't want them to keep receiving that same email over and over again. So I want them to be unsubscribed from this email sequence. So, I have so many different automations here that I have created, and they serve a specific purpose. Each automation serves a specific purpose and what needs to be done within the funnel or with the email sequences or things like that. So in order to set up an automations, what I would do, I would click on add an automation, and then I would choose something like when the lead, depends what you need within your funnel, what kind of automations you want to set up. So I'll just say when the lead completes one of the sequences. Let's say when the lead completes this sequence right here, click add. I would subscribe them to a new sequence, possibly promoting a different product. So let's say they have went through this sequence and they have not purchased the product that I have, I've been promoting in this sequence. I want them to be subscribed to another sequence, so they don't just left hanging there and not getting anything except like once in a while my email broadcasts. I want them to continue going through my other email sequences to, first of all, build trust. Second of all, provide value to them through my other sequences and emails that I have set up within the sequence, and promote a different product because maybe they're not interested in this product that I have been promoting here, but they will be interested in a similar but a different product. So I would subscribe them to a different sequence. So subscribe to a sequence and choose, what kind of sequence I want them to be subscribed. I don't have one created yet at this point that I want to promote, but let's just say I will choose this one right here. And which step do I want them to, let's say I want them to be subscribed to this, and then we choose like which step we want them to start with within the sequence. So I'll just choose this, and then I'll choose add, and then I'll just choose click save, and that's it. There you go. This automation have been created. So when this lead completes this sequence, they are subscribed to another sequence that maybe will be providing value to them, as well as promoting a different product to them. So, and they might choose to, even though they haven't chose to buy the product that I was promoting in this sequence, they might choose to get product in this sequence here because maybe they're more interested in that product, or maybe the timing is better for them to purchase something from you. So it all depends what you want, what kind of automation you want to set up. But this is what you would do to create an automation within Kartra. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, click like and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions whatsoever about Kartra, or if you would like me to put together or to record a training for you on how to do a specific thing within Kartra. Also, I do want to mention again that I do offer one-on-one coaching. Click the link below, fill out a quick questionnaire, and we can jump on a call with you to discuss your project. And if you would like to get access to or to download my free ebook that I provide for you guys, the 7 aspects to building a successful online business, click the link below to download that. And I would love to see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.